Making sense of fractions, ordering fractions with different denominators. Hello, wonderful language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on our English learning journey. Today we will be diving into the world of numbers again, specifically into the fascinating realm of fractions. Even more specifically, we'll be learning how to order fractions that have different denominators. This is a crucial skill not only for mathematics but also for many everyday situations. Before we get into ordering fractions, let's quickly revise what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole, and it's made up of two parts, the numerator and the denominator. The numerator, the top number, tells us how many parts we have, while the denominator, the bottom number, tells us how many of those parts make up a whole. Before we tackle fractions with different denominators, let's look at an easier case first: fractions with the same denominators. For instance, if we have 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4, we can easily see that 1/4 is the smallest and 3/4 is the largest. We can order these fractions simply by looking at their numerators. But what happens when the denominators are different? Suppose we have 1/2, 2/3, and 3/4. The denominators 2, 3, and 4 are all different. In this case, we need to find a common denominator. This is a number that each of the original denominators can divide into evenly. For 2, 3, and 4, the smallest common denominator is 12. Now, let's convert each fraction to have this new denominator. So, 1/2 becomes 6/12, 2/3 becomes 8/12, and 3/4 becomes 9/12. Now, we can easily order these fractions by comparing their numerators, just like before. Let's practice with an example. We have the fractions 5/6, 3/4, and 7/8. The least common denominator here is 24. So, our fractions become 20/24, 18/24, and 21/24 respectively. Now it's easy to see the order: 3/4, or 18/24, 5/6, or 20/24, and then 7/8, or 21/24. And there you have it. You have now learned how to order fractions with different denominators. It may seem a bit complex at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, the trick lies in finding the common denominator. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and keep practicing. The more you practice, the easier it will get. See you next time on our English learning adventure.